Hello guys, welcome to Nature's Whisper. In today's video, I am going to introduce you to a temple which is Tamil Nadu's official logo. Watch this video till the end for complete details. Let's start.
Let's go.
This temple here is famous for its architecture and art. This is Andal Temple, situated in Srivilliputturu, Virudhunagar district, Tamil Nadu. The speciality of this temple is its Gopuram. This Gopuram is 11-tier Gopuram and 60 meter tall, which is the tallest Gopuram. This Gopuram is also emblem of Tamil Nadu's government, because this temple is symbol of state's rich culture and religious heritage. This temple is dedicated to Hindu goddess Andal. It is believed to be the birthplace of two Alvars, namely Periyalvar and his foster daughter Andal. The temple is associated with the life of Andal, who was found under a tulsi plant in the garden inside the temple by Periyalvar. The temple is a true marvel of architectural brilliance. It is constructed in Dravidian style. The temple has two divisions. The one of Andal, located on the southwest, and the second one is Vatapatrasai, that is Lord Vishnu, on the northeast direction. According to local legends and traditional accounts, the Srivilliputturu Andal temple is said to have been in existence for several centuries. It is believed to have been established during the empire of the Pandya dynasty, which ruled the region during different period of time in history. The Pandya rulers were known for their conservation of arts, culture and religion, and they contributed to the growth and development of many temples in the region, including the Srivilliputturu Andal temple. The temple is renowned for its intricate carved pillars and sculptures that adorn the various halls and corridors. These sculptures depict various gods, goddesses, celestial beings and mythological stories. In the ground floor we have temple of Lord Narasimha, and on top of this floor there is a temple of Lord Vishnu in form of Vatapatrasai. There is story behind the name of the town Srivilliputturu. There were two brothers named Vili and Kandan who came to this place for hunting, because earlier this place was a forest. One of the brother Kandan who got killed by a tiger, and Vili was unaware and searched him throughout the forest, but he did not find him. With this distress, he slept in the forest, and his dream Lord Vishnu in the avatar of Perumal appeared and informed him about his brother's death and asked him not to worry and built an idol for him. After Vili establishing an idol for Lord Vishnu, this place was called as Srivilliputturu. So, this temple is present from 8th century. Srivilliputturu, along with the Raja Gopuram, it is also famous for chariot ride. The chariot was rebuilt in 1974 as the century-old chariot was damaged. Here we also tasted palm wine, which in Tamil language called as Padini. In Srivilliputturu, milk sweets, which is also called as Palkova, is famous. I hope this vlog was informative. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.